Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question 3. This creative question I will solve in this class, and another creative question, that is creative question 1, is given for your homework. This question is here. I will show after the class. And this is our lecture number 14 and homework for lecture number 41 and homework 40. Okay, dear students, let us see the question. Creative question 3 here. The students, this is a chapter. The name of the chapter is pattern. So I have given a creative question depending on the pattern. Okay, now -1, 2, 5, 8, 11 is a pattern. So this is a pattern. Here 3 questions are given. We have to solve the question. First question, express 29 and 37 as the sum of 2 squares. Here 2 numbers are given, 29 and 37. We have to express this number as the sum of 2 squares. Okay, dear students. Now question B. Which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern? Present it with logic. It means that which algebraic equation, which algebraic expression, not equation, will be followed by this pattern, and we have to write that algebraic expression and we have to present that with logic. Okay, dear students, now see question C. Find the sum of the first 30 numbers of the list. We have to find the sum of first 30 numbers of the given pattern. Okay, dear students, let us see. First question, we will start our solution now. First question A. What is question? The question is express 29 and 37 as the sum of 2 squares. So at first we can write given numbers are 29 and 37. Okay, dear students, we have to express these 2 numbers as sum of 2 squares. Dear students, sum of 2 squares means, suppose here 2 is a number. If we give the square here, it means if its index is 2, then it is known as 2 squares. So 2 square, and in this way, if we express a number in this way, suppose 1 square plus 2 square, this means this is a square and this is another square. It means that sum of 2 squares. So we have to express these 2 numbers in this way. Okay, dear students, now see. 29 we can write in this way. Here 29 is a number. Okay, dear students, sum should be less than 20. Sum should be equal to 20. So the perfect square numbers should be less than 29. Okay, dear students, now see here. 1 square means 1. So I will write the perfect square numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 30, 25, then 36. We can write some perfect square. These are perfect square. 1 square, 2 square, it means 1 square, it means 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and 6 square. So dear students, now see, from the sum of which 2 numbers will get 29? Consider 1 and 4, no. 1, 9, no. 1, 16, no. 1, 25, no. 1, 36, no. So now consider here 4, 9, no. 4, 16, no. 4, 25, now sum is 29. 4 and sum of 4 and 25 is 29. So you can write here 4 and 25. Now 4 means 2 square, as this is a perfect square of 2. Now 25 means 5 square. So I have expressed 29 as sum of 2 squares. Okay dear students, in the same process we have to express 37. So we can write and 37. How can we get? If we add 1 and 36, sum of these two will be 37. So we can write here 1 and 36. Dear student, 1 means 1 square and 36 means 6 square. So I have expressed 37 also sum of two squares. Dear students, remember the technique. You have to know the perfect square numbers. These are known as perfect square numbers. Okay dear students, you will find the sum of any two perfect square. Then if the sum is matched, then you have to take two perfect squares and then write them as square. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question A. So we can write question B now. What is our question B? Which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern? It means a pattern is given. Which algebraic expression is followed by the given pattern? We have to find that one. Okay dear students, how can we find? Let us see. We can write given pattern. Given pattern. That is -1, 2, 5, 8, 11. Now we can find the difference between two consecutive numbers. Okay dear students, now see. So we can write difference. I'll show the difference here. What is the difference of these two numbers? Difference will be 3. We have to subtract the smallest number from the largest number. So we can write 2 minus -1. This will be 2 minus and -1 will be plus, that is 3. Now see here, these two, difference is 3. Now see these two, difference is 3. See these two, difference is 3. It means that in every case the difference of two consecutive numbers in the pattern is 3. In the pattern is 3. The students, remember, when the difference of two consecutive numbers or terms in the pattern will be same, then you can use a technique to determine the term. Okay dear students, now see what will be the technique. First term. First term is, what is the first term? That is -1. Dear students, you have to remember that if we write 3 minus 4, this will be -1. This will be -1. Here 3 means 3 into 1, as this is the first term. So here is 1 and -4. We can express in this way. Second term, that is 2. So we can write here, how can we write 2? 3 into 2 minus 4. Sorry, we can write here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we can write here 3 into 2 minus 4, as 3 2s are 6. I am using a technique to write the terms. How can we write in this way? Dear students, you have to remember that as the difference is same, you have to write the difference at first, and for the first term you have to consider 1. For the second term you have to consider 2. In this way we can write third term. That is given here 5. we can express 5 as now 9 minus 4, that is 3 multiplied by 3 minus 4. Fourth term, that will be 8 is given here. 8 is given here. How can we write? 12 minus 4, that is 3 into 4 minus 4. The next one is fifth term. This is 11. So we can write here 15 minus 4. 3 5s are 15 and this is 4. So 11 here. Dear students, now see, in all the terms here, first term 1, second term for this 2, third term 3, fourth term 4, fifth term 5. Dear students, what does it mean? It means that always we are multiplying the difference by the number of terms, and if we subtract 4 from the product, we will get the given term of the pattern. So we can say difference into number of terms minus 4. This will be the algebraic expression. Here difference, it means 3, and number of term, if we take number of term is n, then we have to write 3 into n, then we have to give minus 4. So in this way we can proceed. For all the terms we can proceed. So we can write here nth term, that will be 3 into n minus 4. Here where we will write what does you mean by n. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way this will continue. It means that n is natural number. N is natural number. Okay, dear students, so you can say the required algebraic expression, is 3n minus 4. Therefore, the required algebraic expression is 3n minus 4. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question B. What is the question B? Which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern? This algebraic expression is followed by the pattern, and present it with logic. Yes, I have presented this with logic. This is our logic here. Okay, dear students, so I will solve question C now. Question B is done, A and B is done. So I will solve question C. Dear students, what is question C? Question C is find the sum of first 30 numbers of the list. Dear students, here our given pattern is, we can write C, given -1, 2, 5, 8, 11 is a pattern. It means that its first term is -1, and to find the sum we know a formula. For that, in that formula we need the number of terms. Here the number of terms is given and we need that term. It means we need 30th term. How can we find the 30th term? To find the 30th term we need the algebraic expression that we have determined in question B. So we can say from B we get nth term of the pattern, of the given pattern is 3n minus 4. So 30th term equal to 3 into 30 minus 4. This means that 3 3s are 9, means 90 minus 4 means 86. Okay dear students, this is our 30th term. To determine the sum, we need the formula now. Dear students, we know when the difference of two consecutive terms of a pattern are same, then we know a formula. The formula is sum of nth term or we can write sum equal to, direct we can write sum equal to first number, or we can direct write sum of first 30th term. That is, the formula is first term plus last term. It means that 30th term and divided by 2 multiply by number of terms. Sum of first 30, not TH here, sum of first 30 terms. Okay dear students, so we need the first term, 30th term and number of terms. Here first term is -1, 30th term is 86, here is 2 and we have to multiply by number of term means 30. The students, remember the formula again. The formula of nth term, sum of n terms, sum of first n terms is first term plus last term into number of terms divided by 2. Okay dear students, using that formula we can write sum of first 30 terms, that is first term plus 30th term divided by 2 into number of terms. Remember the formula. Okay dear students, now calculate here. This will be 85 as this is -1 and here is 2. We can multiply by 30. So now we can cut this by 15. So we have to multiply 85 and 15. In short, we can multiply in this way, 15 and 5. 5 15s are 75. So we can write 5 here. 7 left, 8 15s are 120. 120 and 7, 127. Okay dear students, so our required sum is 1275. It means 1275. So sum of the first 30 numbers or terms of the given pattern is 1275. Therefore the sum of the first 30 numbers of the given pattern is 1275. 1275. 1275. Okay, dear students, I have done question C. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of problems. Dear students, you have to remember that in this case the difference is always same when you will find the sum, when you will find the algebraic expression. If the difference is not same of two consecutive terms of the given pattern, then this technique you can't use. You have to apply another technique. Okay, dear students, let us see your homework. Dear students, creative question 1 of chapter 1. This is your question. The following geometrical figures are conducted with sticks. These figures are drawn with sticks. Now make a list of number of sticks. From this figure we have to make the list of numbers. This is question A. B. Explain how can you find the next number in the list. It means that how can you find the next number? Here is a list you will get in A and you have to find the next number. Okay, we have to explain that process. How can we get? Now question C. Construct the next figure with sticks and verify your result. Means that you have to construct the figure of the next number of sticks or next part or the next term. Okay, dear students, this question is given from exercise 1. Okay, dear students, so do this as your homework. This is your homework 40. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. You know, homework is very, very important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.